Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will looking for working with tabs and groups. What are those options? Let us see that. I will show you how to create a tab, rename tab, how to delete tab and add groups and other options in the group. So first of all, go to file, go to option. Here is the option customize ribbon and yeah, so if you open the tabs, like let's suppose if you are opening home tab, this area is known as the customize ribbon. This area is the customize ribbon. So if sometimes what happen that you don't want all options and you need your own tabs. So as there is the tabs like file, home, insert, page layout, formula, data, review, view. So you also need your tabs. So you can easily customize and create new tabs and groups. So first of all, go to file, options. In that, go in the customize ribbon. Okay, so if you want your own tab, just select the tab. These are the groups. This is the tab, home is the tab, and clipboard, font, alignment, number, style. These options are known as the groups. Clip, font, alignment, number, style, cell, editing, analysis, sensitivity. These all are the groups, and this is the tab. So if I want, just minimize. If I want to create my own customized tab, so just select this, go to new tab. Now see, a new tab is created. But I okay, so the name of the tab is new tab, but I don't want the name new tab. I want some sensible name. So I will just select this and go for the rename option. Now the dialog box is open. Here you can change the name. Let's suppose I'm giving name Manoj Pandey. Okay. Now see, Manoj Pandey tab is created. But just do OK. Now see here, Manoj Pandey tab is created after home tab. But right now there is a no group in that because I haven't selected any group in that new tab. So how can I do that? Just go again in file, options, select customize ribbon, and this is the main tabs, and the dialog box is open in which this is the main tab, and these are the popular command, and you can also open all the tabs. Now all the tabs have been opened. Okay, so here I can add any options to my tab. I can add all group, any group that I want to customize in my tab, right? So let's suppose I want to add font. Just select and click on add. See, font is added in my new group. Suppose I also want to add font size. Just select on font size and click on add. In that way I can select any group. I can add any group to my Manoj Pandey tab, right? And if I want to change the name of my group, Suppose I want to give some sensible name, I don't want to give new group, so I can also change the name by going to that option, rename. Just give the name. I am giving font to. You can also select the icon. Okay, now see, do okay. Now see here, after home tab there is a Manoj Pandey tab, in which these are the features: font, font size, fonts, format cell. These all are these all are the groups. Okay. Look, these font to these font size, fonts, format cell. These all are the groups. The features like font size, fonts, format cell. We used to call this group. Suppose if I don't want this tab anymore, I just want to delete or hide this tab Manoj Pandey. So how can I hide or minimize this tab? So again, go in file, go in options, go to customize ribbon, and let's suppose I want to hide this tab. So I will just do uncheck mark. Okay. Now see, Manoj Pandey tab is hidden. You are not able to see that tab Manoj Pandey here. And if you want to delete that tab, you don't want to hide, you want to delete this tab. So again, go to customize ribbon, and this dialog box is open. Now just select this Manoj Pandey tab and just do remove. Okay, now see, the tab Manoj Pandey tab is deleted. You will not going to see this in the main tabs, right? Okay, so we have in this video we have seen how to create tab, how to rename tab, how to delete tab, how to add groups in the tab, and add options in the group. So that's the complete video. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot.